In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're there, go to the bottom left area at the bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across trending categories, then press on crypto. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across Filecoin or ticker symbol FIL. So for me, FIL is about right here, Filecoin FIL, press on that right there. Then to purchase it, go to the bottom and press on buy. Now to change it over from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top, press on market buy, and then press on limit buy right here. So by limit buying, you are choosing the highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. Press on that right there. Now on this screen, set the highest price you're willing to pay per Filecoin here. So as of right now, it's priced at $6.24. If you wanted to maybe pay the highest at $6, for example, just press on $6 right there, then press continue. Then on this screen, type in the amount of money you wish to invest into Filecoin. So I'll just do $2 for this example, then press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can limit buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.